For this tutorial, I will be using the key of E, and the E note is there. The E note is there. Just to the right of the two black notes. It's an E. With these three notes, I don't know if you can see that. My fingers will get in the way, but I'll be playing this note. And these two notes right here. And I'll be playing left hand and right hand. So the left hand is going to be doing this. This is an original song. And with the right hand, each time the left hand makes a sound, the right hand puts in an E chord. And you get faster and faster. But those aren't the only notes or chords in the song. That's just the beginning. E, then A. E, A, and then B, like in banana. Now let's get started. This would be a song that I wrote about 10 years ago, and I am getting a lot of wrinkles in the face, and I think it's because of an allergic reaction to eye drops that I was given when I was getting a cataract surgery performed. But we'll worry about that another time. Let's play a song. Every wrinkle tells a story, and I will tell this one, I guess. A song I wrote about 10 or 15 years ago. Well, Noah was a fella who needed an umbrella, and I wonder if he were around today. Would he consult with his psychologist and a TV meteorologist if he thought perhaps a storm was on the way? Would he hitch up a pair of mules, or would he opt for power tools? I wonder what old Noah might do if he foresaw the changing weather. Would he tweet it all on Twitter, or would he just keep working on that wooden zoo? Now would he harness two mosquitos, two orangatangs and cheetas, and maybe bring some zebras in on buses? Would he find two owls so wise, and a couple of blue-tail flies, and some platypusses and hippoputamuses? Should he go north or travel east with his noisy jungle beasts? I'll give Noah my very best advice. Noah, no matter what the cost, I know you won't get lost if you'll just invest in a GPS device. Now take a gander at that moose. Take a gander, take a goose. Should the fleas right in the same room as the kittens. Would the centipedes and spiders be considered first-class riders? Would the roaches be told to stay out of the kitchen? Would the hyenas be displeased as they ride the stormy seas? Or would they just laugh it off and carry on? We might need an extra cow or two to be cat food at the zoo, 'cause I know lions and tigers are not vegetarian. Now I know Noah is a genius, but let's just keep this strictly between us. I'm not really sure that ship is watertight. I know he talked to the bears and the turtles and the hares, and he told the cats and dogs not to fight. But that big ship is made of timber, and the captain must remember to be really, 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 really smart if he wants to avoid the leaks. He'd better put some duct tape on the beaks of those two woodpeckers riding in that wooden ark. Oh, put some duct tape on the beaks of those little feathered freaks, those two woodpeckers riding in that wooden ark. Thank you for watching.